guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys. I'm living out my dreams, I made them my reality. Now everywhere I go, they say they proud of me. Every function that I hit, they all surrounding me. And you better watch your nigga, cause he clocking me.
So today, I'm gonna do this mukbang challenge with my cousin Alana.
Hey guys.
Pretty much, we just gonna eat things in front of the camera and just start conversation. We got the wings from East Coast Wings. We got garlic wings.
Wow, that's sad. Honey barbecue, hot wings, bang bang. You got some honey barbecue.
Yeah, because this bone in, that's bone. Yeah, we got some chips they gave us. They fresh chips. I guess they're homemade. And we also got french fries to go with it. So
I really don't recommend the chips, but it's okay. You dip it in some ranch, it'll be okay.
okay. I don't even know where to start. I also got some honey mustard just in case. And some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. It's the best barbecue. Just in case I don't like it. I'm about to try the chicken ranch.
You like it?
It do taste better than the ranch.
Mm-hmm. The bang bang is good.
It's so
The
good.
boneless bang bang.
That's exactly what I'm eating right
It's a
now.
little spicy, but it's still good.
I eat more. I like boneless chicken more than I like traditional. I don't really care for the bone. It's quicker to eat it that way.
Both of them good to me. But I really like all flats. But yeah, I'm so hungry. Sorry about the broken meal.
How many different flavors is it? Like 4, I think. I don't. What was hot? The bone in. I don't even remember which one was hot. I can't tell.
Yeah, these was hot. These was honey barbecue.
Oh yeah, bang. Let me taste that. I hope we loud enough, like, so they can hear it.
You should have did a test for that.
Oh yeah.
Excuse the cars, motorcycles. That's my cousin.
They gonna hear that.
And we in the country anyway, so.
Yeah, we stay off the road, so it's like all the cars that pass the highway, you can hear everything.
Yeah, boneless is quicker because, woo.
Exactly. That's why I'm still trying to pull chicken from meat from the bone.
I want y'all to hear me chew.
I ain't even. I haven't even tried the fries yet. They alright. They'll be good in that honey mustard though. I
I
know
thought
that.
y'all love a piece of fat. I'm trying not to, but it's getting stuck.
I'm gonna put it up there. We can get a lot of views. I made my caption East Coast Wing Mukbang failed. She chose.
Oh my god. You like the lemon pepper?
What lemon pepper? The
The whole time I'm thinking these lemon pepper wings.
the garlic. It's garlic.
I ain't never had no garlic wings.
Really? From Pizza Hut, it's so good. Or pizza and one of those, okay.
Almost.
I almost did while we were laughing. That's why I kept coughing.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Who be saying it?
I don't know.
Somebody on YouTube like, mm-hmm. And
I don't know.
I'm gonna be like, comment below if you know they ain't even gonna know.
All right. They're not gonna know it. We should ask each other questions about ourselves or something.
What?
Like at like ask each other questions about ourselves, but it's like to tell the people who we are. We gonna know the answers, but they don't know the answers until we tell them. Like
So I'm answering questions about you.
yeah, so I could be like how old are you? You gonna tell me, but you gonna tell them. Or you gonna tell
I thought
me.
I was gonna ask you a question about me, and you was gonna answer the question.
Oh, we can do that. You can
You
start.
don't know me like that.
You can start.
No, you start. It's your channel.
What's my new favorite color?
Yellow.
Okay.
I ain't even
What's
know
the
that.
second
That was
one?
a guess.
It's,
Why you have to ask me that? Like, what?
it's yellow and blue. Cause I always talk about how much I love yellow. Everything like I post on my Insta story be yellow.
Yellow hearts.
Yeah, yellow words.
Mm-hmm.
This chicken kind of tough. Okay.
Okay. How old am I?
19.
No.
I mean,
I'm not 18.
18.
Oh, family don't know you.
I just keep thinking you a year under me, but I know you're not. But that's just because we graduated a year after. Well, you graduated a year after me.
These really is. So
Spell my middle name.
I'll pass. Give me a
Why you
next
look
question.
like that?
Cause I don't even know how to spell your middle name. Girl, bye.
Hold on. There's chicken in my chest.
I'm not really a big fan of the garlic wings, so.
Me neither. Why we got
Yeah.
these forks and not even using them? But what year did I graduate high school?
2016.
Cause Ski graduated. That's how you know.
Because you graduated a year before me.
Oh.
Like, come on now.
Go ahead.
What's my middle name?
Michelle.
Okay.
In case y'all didn't hear, she said, "What's my middle name?" Cause you said that kind of low. What city and state was I born? Is that hard? Good.
Was you want to go to another family?
No, you know not.
Washington, D.C.? Where was you born at?
I think Kiddo was born in D.C. I was born in Sumter, South Carolina.
Wow, I never knew that, but okay.
I thought you did.
No.
Your own cousin
No.
don't even know you.
You didn't even know my age.
I knew your age. Okay, that's a question.
What's my favorite thing to do?
Sing.
No, sleep. I changed.
Oh. She told me I changed it.
I can say if y'all want to hear a couple, let me know. I might make a YouTube channel.
In the comments, tell her what song she gonna sing. What song y'all want her to sing, and she gonna do it.
I might not put words on it.
She should. This is the person that I said I want to sing the songs that I write. Cause she can sing and I can write, so I don't like this bone with the bones too much. And then it be dry.
I don't like these garlic. They are dry. Do not get it. For real.
I didn't even get the rest of the meat out. Like,
That's the garlic one.
mhm.
Yeah, dry.
I can't get the rest of the meat out of this one either, cause it's like the bone. It's too much going on.
No,
But the bone is all you gotta do is like dip it and bite it.
Yep. Have you been eating your fries and chips?
You?
No. You
Been
made
in-
me nauseous. I don't know why.
You don't eat them. Oh, you supposed to be asking a question, or is it me?
I really don't know.
Oh no, it was me. Hold on. I'm at a mess. How long I been in this house?
I would say
Or what grade did I move in here?
you was in the 7th grade,
Nope.
6th grade.
Mm-mm.
Okay, just tell me.
So, I was in the 5th grade. Well, no. It was the first week of 6th grade, my bad.
I was close, so
Oh, yeah. Can't remember. That's when I had them braids, them long braids. And they were, I guess they lemonade braids now, but back then they were just like braids to the side with a big wooden beads in it. And we
that's
used
what
to
people
ride.
get now, for real. I
Yeah.
got some in my hair.
We used to ride that bus, and then after the first week, we started riding this bus till we moved in.
What?
I mean, the old place we used to stay at, and then we moved and started riding the new bus, and then that's when I still remember that day we moved too. It felt like we were going back the next day, but we were here forever.
Okay.
The chicken won't even come apart.
How do I like my nails?
How do you like your
The
nails?
shape and the length.
I don't know. I guess like right here, and like
Like right where?
right here, shaped like a rectangle.
No.
They're shorter.
And I like coffin shape.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You probably don't know the shapes.
I don't know the shape. I don't know. I don't wear nails, y'all. I haven't worn nails in 3 years because I work at Bojangles. So I know coffin shape because I had a coffin for prom, but then I had to cut it when I had to go back to work. Only thing that I don't like is the chicken with the bone. I already got stuff in my shirt.
The barbecue was like good, for real.
The honey barbecue? Yeah, and then it's
This
like
honey
better
barbecue?
boneless. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's better boneless. I need a fork for this chicken because it's coming all apart. Oh my god. They were like, she wasted those wings. It's like meat, but it's hard. And then it's like the meat that's up here, I can't even get it off.
We wasted the fries and the chips, so for real.
No, I'm not wasting the fries and the chips. Yeah. I'm gonna try. I used chips. I mean, fries kind of tough too. Oh, this stuck together. I ain't even about this good. don't know what type of seasoning they try to put in here. I think it's like barbecue. I don't know.
On the chips?
Mm-hmm.
Why would they put barbecue?
Because it's like barbecue chips.
No.
I don't know,
Probably
but
just seasoning salt.
I doubt it.
Okay.
It might be seasoning.
No.
That chip was kind of burnt. I'm not even full, but I'm full.
That wraps it up for me.
Yeah.
I'm over it.
I got another wing. That fry just messed up. My stomach.
Mine's who?
It's a big wing.
These wet wipes come in handy out the way. Appreciate it.
No, that's not what I'm doing. Well, last one, y'all. It's honey barbecue too. This the best one. This one kind of dry. It's so big. It fell because you was staring at me, bro.
And if you're wondering why we got 2 drinks, because they messed up the order. Sorry, I was just playing. She just ordered it that way.
Instead of buying just 20 wings, it was cheaper to order 5 kids meals. So they all came with a side. So I got like fries, chips, and fruit cup.
You didn't eat your fruit cup?
Oh no, I'm not gonna eat it right now. We're gonna tell y'all why we only got 1 fruit cup. Cause
She was gonna eat 20 wings by herself.
yeah. And I got 1 fruit cup, then 2 fries and 2 things of chips.
And for a drink, she was gonna do all this by herself.
I wasn't gonna drink the drinks by myself. Oh. Okay, so y'all, this is not my last video with my cousin. We're gonna do more videos. My channel's gonna be featuring a lot of people that's close to me, family and everything. So just like suggestions of videos that you think we should do. We also gonna do more videos that I come up with or whatever,
And challenges
and a lot of stuff. So just stay tuned for that. Y'all gonna be my other cousins. All my family is great, so
she gonna have a family reunion on her channel.
yeah.
Oh, you remember that shout out video we did? Oh, man.
You kept rushing me to
Shout out to.
and then we were saying the names like hard. Like, I just don't know how they be doing it. They be like
this.
look, can you see it? Like, but it don't show. You gotta cut out the light, the top light.
Come on, like baby.
Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. Hold on.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell to get all the notifications for her videos.
Oh, guys, make sure y'all comment more things that y'all think we should do. I think I said it already. But give us challenges, give us ideas, anything. You can DM it to me. My Twitter.
Questions if you want to know more about us.
Yeah, don't forget to follow all of my social media. It's going to be on this side. Follow all of my cousins. It's going to be on that side. And yeah, that's going to conclude the video. Thank you. Bye, guys.